Okay guys, it's middle of the week, it's unboxing time. Let's see what we got. Okay, for you guys I'm watching, the Hot Wheels video has just gone up on the Group B rally set. I'll be doing one later in the week on the custom convoy, my little camera car there. And this thing I'll be doing is the Dinky limited edition convoy. Yes, this is a convoy. Okay, let's get into this box, let's have a look. Let's see what we got. Okay. Oh, you're hitting on the snags. Crease the box. Okay folks, we have us a Mark 1 Land Rover Range Rover Buick 3.5 Rover V8. We'll do a little video on this and get one onto the turntable. Bit of a closer look then guys, you can see what we got. That's nice, I like that. So I'll come back. Made with recycled metal. Land Rover and Rover trademarks are licensed by Jaguar Land Rover Limited, Tata, India. Yes, Land Rover. They're always made in the UK, some of them. Is now basically a foreign car. With 50% certified plastic. Sorry, was said. Umbilical, a little bit of plastic free packaging here we are. So that's nice. Okay then, let's get her open. We'll carefully open the sides. So I will here now. I don't want to damage the box. I want to keep it as tidy as we can. Here we are. Oh, that's really nice. The box inside. That is lovely. Clipped in really well. The detail on that is fantastic. Plastic floor, not surprised. 975 Range Rover, 2021 by Mattel, made in Thailand. Just what makes it Matchbox trademark today. This is really nice. It's got the Buick Rover 3.5 carburetted V8 inside. It's actually showing a fuel injected reading or a carburettor to be on a litre one. It's in a right hand drive. Let's get on the turntable. Okay, here's our girl. Sorry about the noise on the turntable, I could do with a new one really. Look at that, excellent off-road capability. It even has the mirrors mounted on the wings, unlike most modern cars where it's mounted on the doors. Well, thanks for watching guys, I hope you enjoyed this little video. Next time we'll be doing one of the dinky convoys, so that'll be a nice little one to look out for. And also this week, before time runs out, I want to try and get in the AC/DC Thunder Truck. Here we go, absolutely stunning model that. Really nice, probably one of the best Hot Wheels they've ever done. Wasn't a big fan of Hot Wheels in the last few years, but of the Hot Wheels premieres, such as the Group B Rally set, and the ones they've actually put some real effort into, like these. Look at the paintwork on that, that is stunning. It's I'm being won over. So I'm a fan of the standard range, but we'll see how it goes. So I'll see you on the next one. Do all the lovely crazy stuff underneath, like all the clicks, like, subscribe, shares, thanks and all that sort of shenanigan. And I'll see you on the next one. Cheers guys, thanks and bye bye.